6 minutes ago, NASA just announced you might want to see this before next month. Are you ready to witness the power of the San Andreas Fault? This natural wonder stretches over 800 miles across California and is home to some of the most significant geological forces on the planet. But the San Andreas Fault is not just a sight to behold. It's also a ticking bomb that could devastate Southern California with a massive earthquake at any moment. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we explore the unique characteristics of the San Andreas Fault and the potential devastation that it could cause. But wait, there's more. NASA has just announced something that will leave you in awe. This news is so shocking that you might want to drop everything and see it before next month. Trust us, you won't want to miss it. But we'll get to that in just a moment. First, let's dive deeper into the San Andreas Fault and discover its secrets. The San Andreas Fault is where two massive tectonic plates meet, the Pacific Plate and the North American Plate. This fault line stretches over 800 miles across California and is the potential origin point of one of the greatest disasters in California's history. The constant rubbing of these two plates against each other builds up immense pressure that is eventually released in the form of earthquakes. Scientists predict that a major earthquake along the San Andreas Fault is long overdue and could strike at any moment. The fault's unique characteristics are divided into three segments, each with varying degrees of earthquake risk. The plates are slowly sliding past each other horizontally with a slip rate of 20 to 35 years, described by experts as right lateral slip motion. The movement of these plates is causing compressional forces that have forced San Andreas to jog westward. The San Andreas Fault is no stranger to Californians. The majority of state's population resides close to this infamous fracture, and many drive on roads built right on top of it. Even the Bay Area Rapid Transit System of San Francisco has a tunnel that cuts right through the fault area. The buildup of compressional forces over years can lead to massive earthquakes that strike with little warning. Scientists are constantly worried about the potential dangers posed by this fault line, especially as most of it is now covered by development, putting countless lives at risk. If you want to witness the power of the San Andreas Fault with your own eyes, head up north on Interstate 5 until you reach the Tejon Pass. Here you'll find a visible reminder of the tectonic forces at work, one plate scraping against the other, leaving behind a trail of gray quartz, monzonite, and brown sediment, sandstone, and siltstone. These rocks could never have formed together naturally. And now, for our breaking news. NASA has just announced that they've discovered something incredible that you won't want to miss. They've found a massive asteroid that's heading towards Earth and will pass by in just a few weeks. The asteroid, known as 2001 FO32, is more than 1,300 feet in diameter, making it one of the largest asteroids to pass this close to Earth in recent history. It will come within 1.25 million miles of Earth, which might sound like a long way, but in astronomical terms, it's actually incredibly close. So, if you're a space enthusiast or just curious about the wonders of the universe, you'll want to make sure you mark your calendar for March 21st when the asteroid will pass by. But back to the San Andreas Fault. The potential devastation that a major earthquake could cause is staggering. If a major earthquake were to strike the area, it could very well sever Interstate 5, the main transportation route to and from Los Angeles, leaving thousands stranded. The fault's unique characteristics and rich history have captured the attention of scientists and the public alike, and it's considered one of the greatest geological wonders of the world. It's a humbling sight, a reminder of the incredible forces that shape our world and the dangers they pose. California has seen some devastating earthquakes in the past, including the 1857 Tejon earthquake, which shook up nearly 350 southern and central California. The 1906 San Francisco earthquake was even more catastrophic and claimed more than 3,000. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see California's fault lines like never before. NASA has made these images available to the public, and we highly recommend taking a look before next month. Who knows when we'll get another chance to see the San Andreas Fault from space? The San Andreas Fault is a ticking time bomb, and the consequences of its eruption could be catastrophic. In fact, if a major earthquake were to strike the area, it could very well sever Interstate 5, the main transportation route to and from Los Angeles, leaving thousands stranded. The fault's unique characteristics and rich history have captured the attention of scientists and the public alike, and it's considered one of the greatest geological wonders of the world. It's a humbling sight, a reminder of the incredible forces that shape our world and the dangers they pose.